everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing a classic French acrylic set. I have already prepped her nails and added the clear tips. I went in and primed, as you can see, and I am starting to now create my nail bed with the pink acrylic. I'm not going to talk throughout this video, but I just wanted to come on and say, initially when I started doing French nails, I used to find it really intimidating. And even now, I am still learning, and I'm nowhere near where I would want to be in terms of how I do my French nails. But I am a lot better, and I just want to encourage you guys, if you're just starting out with acrylic or, doing French, then you will get there with practice, okay? And also, I found this a little bit challenging because the white acrylic that I was using was extremely sticky, and it's almost like it would just not dry down enough for me to actually work with it. I had previously added some clear to it to try to help it to I guess be a little bit easier to work with, but maybe I need to add more because it's really difficult to work with. But in the end, the nails turned out really nice, and we were satisfied with how they turned out. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you learn, even though I'm not speaking throughout the video. But just to tell you guys what I'm doing throughout the video, I am creating the nail bed with the pink acrylic, and I'm just ensuring that I build up a little wall at the smile line area, so that before I even lay my white acrylic there, I will file that smile line to ensure that it is crisp and nice. So that is why you want to ensure that you have a nice little wall there. And when you add your white acrylic again, you have somewhere to lay the acrylic so that you can have that separation and you can see your smile line clearly when you file. So it's really just creating the nail bed in a shape that you want. There are many different shapes that people choose to do their nail beds in now when they're doing French. This is almost, I guess this is kind of like a little oval shape that I'm doing here. And so once I'm finished with that, I move on to the next hand, allow the one hand to dry, then I start to file. And so I file the smile line, and then I add the white acrylic, and then once I'm through with everything, then I go in and file and shape the nails. And that is what I did here. So I hope you guys find the video helpful. I hope you enjoy, and please feel free to leave me comments if there's anything that you'd like for me to show you guys how to do. Please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.